That's called gassing out. It's one of the most common problems I get with fountain drink equipment. And there's three common reasons that cause that. One is that the water will get shut off to the facility or the place of business and air will get trapped into the carbonator. Two, the CO2 bottle will run completely out of CO2 and that'll also cause it. The third reason is that the unit will somehow get unplugged or the outlet won't have power and that'll also cause the same problem. Those are the reasons that it usually happens. Now I'm going to show you how we fix it. Okay, first what you're going to do is you're going to locate your CO2 source. It's either going to be a CO2 bottle or it's going to be a bulk system. Once you locate it, you're going to turn it off. Second, you're going to locate the carbonator. The carbonator will be underneath the machine or in the back room. Carbonator has a relief valve. There's two different types of mechanism relief valves. One, you lift the switch up and it stays open. There's another one that has a key ring that you pull and you twist. Okay, now I'm going to lift up the relief valve. Being that I turned off the CO2 pressure, it's going to dissipate down to nothing. Okay, once it dissipates down to nothing, you're going to start hearing the water fill up the tank. And as it fills up the tank, you're waiting for the water to spill out of the same holes the CO2 was coming out of. Once water squirts out of the relief valve, you're going to turn back on your CO2 source. Okay, once you turn the CO2 back on, we're going to run the valve until the carbonator comes back on. But first, you're going to disconnect the syrup to that flavor so you don't waste product. Okay, so now I'm going to activate the valve, waiting for my carbonator to come on. Okay, so now when the carbonator comes on, stop activating the valve and you're going to wait for it to shut off. The carbonator should stay on for about 26 to 30 seconds. Now that the carbonator is shut off, we're going to activate the valve and repeat that process one more time. As you can see, now the plain water has turned to carbonated water. Now that you got carbonated water and we fixed the gassing out problem, you could hook your syrup back up and we have carbonated drinks.